What's up YouTube, Booby M4H here. Got my LM4 here. Gonna show you guys how to install the Ratech new style hop-up bucking for the LM4. So basically I've stripped down my my rail here, taking that off. Remember I was talking about how I had to mod this out the other day to fit it over my gas block, so I had to basically put this channel inside of here so that it'll go over my gas block and my gas tube. Had to drill it out and file it down so it actually fit. Alright, well that's what I did inside of there. So let's go ahead and take out the outer barrel and the hop-up unit. So I'm going to spin off my barrel nut. You're going to slide this straight out. Set that off to the side. Now we're going to take an Allen wrench here. Now there's two set screws, one at 12 o'clock and one at 6 o'clock. You're going to go ahead and back those out. Go ahead and remove them all the way, set those off to the side so you don't lose them. This might need a little help coming out. This is the Ratech barrel that came with that, and the new hop-up unit that came with, okay, no, take that back. The bucking is separate. This is the hop-up unit. It comes with a complete hop-up unit assembly here, and the Ratech 6.01 barrel. I did have to cut this barrel down. I did have to cut a groove up here for the rubber O-ring to go over. If you don't put that on, your barrel is going to wobble in there every time you shoot it. It's going to mess up your accuracy. So if you cut down your barrel, make sure you cut that groove in there to put the O-ring, okay? You slide this brass piece here back, and then there's this plastic sleeve here. It's open at the bottom or at the top. You're going to spread that apart and just slide that off. Rotate the hop-up unit here so that little brass tab right there is visible. Now go ahead and slide it back. Now you want to take off that brass tab. Now along with that tab is a C-clip on here. You're going to go ahead and pop that C-clip off. Now there's a sleeve over the bucking. You're going to slide that back. Now slowly, carefully, if you plan on saving this bucking, peel that off of the barrel. Now let's grab our Ratech bucking here. Wow, this is a lot harder than, oops. It's a lot harder than the stock KWA one. It's a lot thicker too. Huh. And the little nub inside there, I don't know if you guys can see it. My camera phone is not the best quality in the world, so bear with me here. It looks a lot smaller than the stock LM4 one. Anyway, let's go ahead and put it on and see what it does. Alright, that's on. So you can slide it over that. Make sure to orient that little nub into the window of the barrel. Now you're going to slide the sleeve over it. Ooh, this is a tight fit. Wow. Almost too tight. Alright. So the piece of the bucking is getting caught right here. So I'm going to help it down a little bit. So I'm going to get it slid over. Alright, I think that's over now. We're going to clip the brass tab on. Be careful not to bend this tab in any way. Now the C-clip is going to go, let's say, so this is it's going to go behind it, okay? Right, like so. Now when you slide this shroud up over it, do it like so. then rotate it, push that little brass tab down. There we go. And check to see if it's adjusting, and it is. Alright. So the opening here, you're going to orient this at the 12 o'clock position. And then you'll see the little splines in here. That's what's you're gonna put that towards the hop up unit, because that's how you get your clicks when you adjust it. And then slide the sleeve over it. There you go. Put it back in our outer barrel. And then put those 2 set screws back in. Now you don't want to put these in too tight, but you want them snug enough to where they don't back out. Not too tight to where you strip them trying to take them back out, alright? Because then that'll be a pain in the ass trying to drill them out and tap them out and all that. But I mean, it is possible. Just not the greatest thing to do. Alright, as you can see, I've cut and crowned my inner barrel there flush with the outer. Did take the extension off. Now folks, I know you guys have been asking and all that, this is counterclockwise. You got to spin this off counterclockwise, okay? When you do try to take this off, you want to convert yours to CQB. See, you're going to spin it off counterclockwise, so that way. Alright. Alright, this is good to go back into the gun now. Sure your barrel's tight, that there's no wobble in it at all, because if this thing wobbles, man, you are not going to hit anything as accurate as you would it tight. So make sure that's all nice and tight. Gonna put my gas tube on. Rail. Sorry, it's taking forever, guys. These rails look nice, but fuck, they're such a pain in the ass. So so many damn screws to put in. Make sure the rail is straight with the top rail. Making the adjustments now before you tighten it down if you have this rail. Alright, so this is how you put your hop-up bucking into your KWA LM4. Very simple. If you guys have any problems, go ahead and comment down below, and I will be sure to give you guys a quick response. Alright, give me about a day or so to get back to you. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, I'll do an FPS test on this bucking here shortly.